गुड मॉर्निंग स्टूडेंट। पिछली क्लास में अपना 2.1 तक कंप्लीट हो गई थी एक्सरसाइज। आज जो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है वो है रिलेशन बिटवीन जीरोज एंड कोफिशिएंट। हमारा जो नेक्स्ट टॉपिक है रिलेशन बिटवीन जीरोज एंड इट्स कोफिशिएंट। इसमें हम बात करेंगे हमारे क्वाड्रेटिक एक्सप्रेशन की। क्वाड्रेटिक एक्सप्रेशन क्या होता है अपने पास? क्वाड्रेटिक एक्सप्रेशन होता है ए एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी। ए एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस बी एक्स प्लस सी, वेयर कोफिशिएंट ऑफ एक्स स्क्वायर इज ए, coefficient of x is b, and the last constant term is c. There is three term ax square plus bx plus c, and we can say coefficient of x square is a, coefficient of x is equal to b, and constant is c, in which we have to find relation between zeros and coefficient. तो रिलेशन क्या होता है कोफिशिएंट और जीरोस के बीच में? तो हमारे पास दो काम आते हैं यहाँ पे। एक तो सम ऑफ जीरोस, फर्स्ट आता है सम ऑफ जीरोस, एंड सेकंड होता है अपने पास प्रोडक्ट ऑफ जीरोस। सेकंड इज प्रोडक्ट ऑफ जीरोस। इन क्वाड्रेटिक एक्सप्रेशन वी रिप्रेजेंट जीरोस ऑफ क्वाड्रेटिक एक्सप्रेशन is alpha and beta, because quadratic expression have degree 2, so their number of zeros is also 2। नंबर ऑफ जीरोस भी कितने होंगे? 2 होंगे। और नंबर ऑफ जीरोस 2 है तो नंबर ऑफ जीरोस कौन से होंगे? दैट इज अल्फा एंड बीटा। दो जीरोस हो गए हमारे पास, अल्फा एंड बीटा। एंड व्हाट इज द सम ऑफ जीरोस? देन वी कैन से सम ऑफ जीरोस, that is alpha plus beta, which is equal to minus b upon a. This is the first formula of sum of zeros. That sum of zeros alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a, where b is equal to, or we can say alpha plus beta is equal to minus, and b is coefficient of x. Then b is equal to coefficient of x, and a is equal to coefficient of x square. Alpha plus beta minus coefficient of x upon में coefficient of x square, and product of zeros that is alpha into beta is equal to c upon a, and we can say alpha into beta is equal to constant upon में coefficient of x square, coefficient of x square. We explain this sum of zeros and product of zeros with the help of an example. An example is find the zeros of x square plus 4x plus 4, and verify the relation between zeros and its coefficient. Zeros and its coefficient. So zeros of, first of all we have to find the zeros of x square plus 4x plus 4. For finding the zeros of x square plus 4x plus 4, we have to splitting its middle term. We have to split its middle term. Middle term is 4x. Then we have to take 2 digit p and q. We have to take 2 digit p and q such that product of 2 digit, product of p and q is equal to coefficient of x square, product of coefficient of x square and constant. So p and q is equal to a into c. p and q किसके इक्वल होना चाहिए? a into c के इक्वल होना चाहिए. नेक्स्ट, the sum of two digit is equal to coefficient of x. The sum of two digit is coefficient of x, or we can say p plus q is equal to b. p plus q is equal to b. Then you have to take 2 digit such that their multiple is equal to 1 into 4 and the sum is also equal to 4. Then we can say the 2 digit are 2 and 2. Their product is 4. Their product is 4 and sum is also 4. So when we split the middle term x square plus 4x, then we can write x square plus 2x plus 2x plus 4. You can check x square is plus 2x plus 4x and plus 4. You have to take common first two term and the last two term. In the first two term we can take x as a common, then x plus 2. In last two term we can take 2 as a common, then x plus 2. Their bracket must be same, then x plus 2, x plus 2. So in two terms we can take x plus 2 as a common, then x plus 2 into x plus 2. These are the factor of x square plus 4x plus 4, or we can say these are the factor of given quadratic expression. If you want to find their zeros, then you have to must put equal to 0. Then we can say either x plus 2 equal to 0 or these x plus 2 equal to 0. Then the value of x is equal to minus 2 and minus 2. First of all you have to prove sum of zeros. Then the sum of zeros is minus 2 plus minus 2, that is equal to minus 4, or we can say alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a, and in the quadratic expression the value of b is equal to 4 and the value of a is equal to 1. Then alpha plus beta is equal to minus 4 upon 1, then alpha plus beta is equal to minus 4. The sum of zeros is also minus 4 and the alpha plus beta is equal to minus also is minus 4. So we can say alpha plus beta is equal to minus b upon a. Next, product of zeros minus 2 into minus 2, which is equal to 4, and we can say alpha into beta is equal to c upon a, and the value of c is equal to 4 and a is equal to 1, and alpha and beta is equal to 4. So we verify the relationship between sum of zeros and product of zeros. ये अपना एग्जाम्पल हो गया. इसके बाद जो इसके बेसिस पे क्वेश्चन है वो अपन करेंगे नेक्स्ट क्लास में. तब तक थैंक यू.